Student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 10, the moon and eclipses. Today we have discussed about the moon and eclipses. Now, but before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now say the first homework. As you know that in previous online class I have given homework. Learn all exercise of lesson 8. Learn all exercise of lesson 8. I hope all of you learned all exercise of lesson 8 in proper way. Okay, God bless you. Okay, first topic is moon. Lesson 10, the moon and eclipses. You know that lesson 9 cut due to the reduce the syllabus. So today we have discussed about the lesson 10, the moon and eclipses. And first topic is moon. Now see the slide and understand carefully. See. Today we have discussed about the lesson 10, the moon and eclipses. The moon and eclipses. As you know that the moon is our closest neighbor in space. You know that nearest, which is celestial body nearest to the earth, moon. Okay, it appears very bright because it reflects light from the sun. ओके, ये क्यों चमकता है? क्यों पता है? क्योंकि ये सन की लाइट ही इसकी सरफेस से रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. दैट्स दे ब्राइट. ओके, फ्रॉम डे टू डे द मून seems to change its shape. Day by day their shapes change. Okay, this is because as it travel around the earth, you know that moon revolves around the earth in fixed orbit. Okay, this is because you know that travel around the earth, different part of the moon are lit by the sun light. That's why day by day they have the different shapes. Unlike earth, the moon has no atmosphere or no life. You know that unlike the earth means just like earth जैसा यहाँ पर atmosphere नहीं है. The astronauts footprint left on the moon will remain there are centuries because there is no wind disturb them. मून सरफेस पर जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स का फुटप्रिंट है वो भी आप सेंचुरीज के बाद भी देख सकते हो, क्योंकि वहाँ कोई भी विंड नहीं है और उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता. दिस इज द फर्स्ट हेवनली बॉडी प्रोव्ड बाय द मैन. मून इज द फर्स्ट हेवनली बॉडी प्रोव्ड बाय द man. This is the diagram of moon. See carefully. This is the diagram of moon. Okay, now we have discussed about the next topic, the moon's surface. See, next topic, the moon's surface. See this diagram. This is the moon surface diagram picture. The surface of the moon is not plain. Not plain. Okay, it has hills, mountains, valley and craters. On the surface of the moon, you know that some places covered with hills, mountains, valley and craters. Actually, craters are a deep hole in its ground created by hitting the heavenly bodies like meteorites on the moon's surface. Clear? Because meteorites hitting of the heavenly body, you know, the meteorites hitting the surface, you know, the craters are deep hole ground created by the hitting of the heavenly body, means like meteorites. They make the crater. Mountains on the moon are very rough and sharp. Those are found on the moon surface mountain are very rough and sharp. They are made of bare rock and soil. Okay, soil of the moon is dry and made up of small pieces of rocks. You know that those are soil found on the surface of the moon. It's dry and made up of small pieces of rock and stones. Life does not exist on the moon due to the absence of air and water. You know that on the moon surface there is no life because due to the absence of air and water, means here air and water not found. As there is no air on the moon, no sound can be heard here. क्लियर मीन्स यहाँ एटमॉस्फेयर एयर ना होने के कारण हम यहाँ पर कोई भी साउंड सुन नहीं सकते हैं, बिकॉज साउंड ट्रेवल थ्रू द एयर. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द मून आल्सो चेंज वेरी क्विकली. हियर टेम्परेचर चेंज वेरी क्विकली. इट चेंज with day and night, means day night they have the different temperature. The moon is very hot when sun shines on it, means daytime moon is very hot. On the darker side is very cold, but in night time when sunlight not reflect here, then very cold. Astronauts that visit moon have to wear special dresses to bear the quick change in temperature. Those are, you know, that astronauts wear a different special suits or dresses, and you know that this is a special suit dresses protect from the temperature and other factors. Next topic is phases of the moon. You know that day by day moon they have the different shapes, and this different shapes is called phases of the moon. The sign moon you seen at night does not have the light on its own. The moonlight which we see from the earth is the light of sun. The sunlight reflects on the moon and shine on the earth. सनलाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होकर के अर्थ पे आती है, जिससे हम लोग देखते हैं कि मून शाइन कर रहा है. वी कॉल दिस लाइट इज मून लाइट. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? मून लाइट. हाफ ऑफ द मून सरफेस ऑलवेज फेसेस द मून. Most of the time, half moon surface always faces the sun. The part facing the sun gets sunlight. Other half remain dark. Sometimes we see only a part of lighted side. The amount of the lighted side that we see change every night. You know that every night their shapes change. The changing shapes of the moon that we see from the earth are called phases of the moon. Different shapes of the moon are full moon, new moon, crescent, gibbous. All these phases repeat again and again. Okay, these phases, new moon, crescent, gibbous, they repeat again and again. The moon never changes its shapes. Clear, keep in mind, the moon never changes its shape. The changing shapes of the moon that we see from the earth actually the shape of the its lighted part. जो मून का शेप शाइनिंग पार्ट जो चेंज होता है, एक्चुअली वो जो लाइटेड पार्ट है वो उसके कारण दिखता है. जितना पार्ट लाइटेड होता है उतना पार्ट हम लोग देखते हैं, बाकी डार्क पार्ट नहीं देखते हैं. इसलिए ये डे टू डे चेंज होता रहता है. एज इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द अर्थ के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व करने के कारण ये डिफरेंट शेप्स दिखता है ड्यू टू द रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ग्रेविटी ऑफ द मून. gravity of the moon, gravitational force of the moon. We know that gravity is the force by which Earth pulls each object toward itself. The force of gravity can also be felt on the moon, but the gravity of the moon is 1/6 times less than the Earth. मून की ग्रेविटी हमारे अर्थ की ग्रेविटी के कंपैरिजन में 1/6 कम है. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी वुड वे लेस ऑन द मून. कह सकते हैं, आप कह सकते हो कि मून पर वेट कम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ योर वेट ही इज 30 kg ऑन द अर्थ, अगर आपका वेट 30 kg अर्थ पर है, आवर वेट ऑन द मून विल बी ओनली 5 kg. मून पर आपका वेट कितना होगा? ओनली 5 kg, बिकॉज हियर 1/6 टाइम लेस देन द अर्थ ग्रेविटी. फॉर द सेम रीजन one you'd find it very difficult to walk on the moon unless one is weighed down. He or she would float. Means due to the less gravity they cannot walk on the moon improperly. Okay, they walk and just like they just float on the surface of the moon due to the less gravity. Okay, now next and last topic today's tides. Due to gravity, moon pulls water from sea and oceans toward itself. ग्रेविटी के कारण मून वाटर को, जो सी ओशन में वाटर है, उनको अपनी तरफ खींचता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड टाइड. Tides are two types, high tide and low tide. Every high tide is followed by a low tide. When water is pulled by moon, it is called high tide. In the sea, in the area between high tides, the water forms low tides. The highest tide occur on full moon night. During the full moon night. Tides are useful to ships. When there is a high tide, ships can come easily to a port. The knowledge of tide is also important to fishermen when they go out for catching fish in the sea. In a low tide condition, they cannot bring back their boats to the shore because sea water recedes far away from the shore. During the high tides, oceans water current are increase. वाटर करंट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, जिससे सी शोर एरिया तक वाटर आसानी से पहुंचता है. इन लो टाइड कंडीशंस वाटर वेव्स करंट रिड्यूस. ओके, दिस इज a condition of tides. So I hope this is a condition of tides. Hope all of you understand all topics in proper way. Okay, now see the homework. This is the diagram of tides condition. See the diagram carefully. Okay, now write homework. See the homework. Okay, homework is read and revise the explained topics of lesson 10. I repeat again, read and revise the explained topics of lesson 10. Okay, and I request you, after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section in comment box. Thank you. God bless you.